Welcome to my channel, and today's video is going to be on the Ace Beaute Aura Palette. And here is what the inside of this beautiful palette looks like. Just some really cool purples, grungy greens, just beautiful, beautiful palette. And yeah, I'm just really excited. I finally picked up, I think it's the Cosmic Collection. So I also have the Envy palette, which I will be hopefully filming with tomorrow. Today's actually Christmas Day when I'm filming this, and my last day of my break is tomorrow. So I'm hoping I'll get to film with that other palette. And then I think maybe I might also do a quick little haul because I also picked up 2 more palettes from Ace Beaute. So let's go ahead and get started with the Aura palette. I keep trying to flip-flop the name, so if I do, I apologize. I'm going to start with this shade Hazy, just this really pretty grungy olive green. Kind of have a vision for this look. We'll see what happens. Hopefully it will all work out. It's also still really, really cold here, so it's been rough. It's like you can't go outside for more than a couple minutes or you are just absolutely frozen. My tires will not hold air. It's just not been fun. But since we're in the Midwest, towards next week it's supposed to be like 60 degrees. So it's not going to stay really, really cold like this for too long. I just wish it would have been more comfortable so we could get out more during our days off. But that kind of always seems to be the way that it goes. Like if you have time off work, the weather is either too hot, too cold, or a total downpour. So you don't really get to enjoy it too much. Alright. This is a beautiful, beautiful shade. Now I am going to go in, let's see, I just want to deepen it up a little bit. So I'm going to go in with this shade Nimbus right here. And just kind of deepen that up just a smidge. Alright. Now I want to go in with a purple shade. Just trying to get the appropriate brush. So I'm going to go in with this shade, Kai, right here. This is actually a maroonish shade, but we're going to go over it with like a purple shade once we get it down. Just kind of want to lightly put this down because we're going to put like a really, really pretty shimmer over it. And you know how we love shimmers here. And again, I'm just lightly putting this down. Okay. Now, I want to take the shade Gleam right here and just put that all over that maroon shade that I just put down. That is pretty. Very, very pretty. Like, that just goes so well with those green shades. Alright, now for the lower lash line, I want to go in with this shade. Let's do Soul, which is like a really pretty like periwinkle shade. I'm just going to gently smoke that out. Okay, I'm going to take the shade Halo, which is this shade right here, and we're just going to use that to kind of highlight that lower inner corner. And just kind of take it a little bit in towards the middle for some extra sparkle. This is a really, really pretty shade. Alright, I am going to go do my mascara and I'll be right back. Okay, so I am back and this is the finished look. And this is with the Ace Beaute Aura Palette. You guys, this one is gorgeous. I love it. Just those grungy tones, the purples, their shimmers are phenomenal. Get your hands on this palette if you don't have it already. So that's going to be it for today's video. Thank you all so much for tuning in, for subscribing, giving this video a thumbs up, commenting down below. It means the world to me. I hope you have a wonderful day, an amazing new year, and just please stay safe wherever you are, and I will see you in the next one.